We're going to be spending another day tracking some of these spotty showers here. It looks like it's going to be in some of our southern counties initially, but that'll start to transition a little further north later on this afternoon as that warm front starts to actually make some headway that direction, and it looks like it's going to carry a lot of the moisture with it as we get into tonight. Again, the latest run of future track getting us up to 7 o'clock, and that's where we're seeing, again, still some fairly spotty sprinkles. Wouldn't be terribly surprised to hear a rumble of thunder. Wouldn't exactly expect it, though, but as we get into this afternoon and evening, I think we got a better chance of picking up some thunder as we get into Friday. We'll show you that here in just a second. But that warm front lifts all the way to our north. This is actually 6 o'clock, so we're going to be waking up to it looks like a lot of sunshine tomorrow, and that'll get us off and running along with some winds out of the south here. Looking at these temperatures today, they're going to struggle to warm up, and there's probably going to be a split here depending on where we see some of the breaks in the clouds try to develop in some of our southern counties. Make it back into the 60s down around Lake of the Ozarks. The rest of us, I think, probably just going to be expecting the 50s. All of us, though, actually going to be getting back into the 60s tonight as those winds turn a little bit more southerly. You can see them there here, back into those low 60s this morning or tomorrow morning. And then we're back into the low 80s as we get into our Thursday. But you can see something looming just to our north and west. That's a cold front that's going to come roaring back through mid-Missouri. It's the same frontal boundary, in all honesty, that we tracked to the north here just about 24 hours before this. And temperatures come crashing back down on the other side of that. But it's also going to be firing up some showers and thunderstorms. Here's what Future Track has it looking like here. As we get into the early morning hours on Friday, again, just to our north and west by 2 o'clock. I think it's more so going to be a morning commute problem, it looks like, for our Friday than anything else here as we get into the final day of this work week. But they'll start to work their way off toward the south and east. And you notice, generally speaking, they're going to be expected to weaken as they work their way into mid-Missouri. They could be a little bit stronger just to our north and west. Maybe a slight potential at picking up some stronger storms back that direction. Here into mid-Missouri, we're not expecting that as of right now. But we do have more rain chances right around the corner. Again, we'll dry out, it looks like, on Saturday and stay on the cool side of things here the first day of this weekend. We got more rain chances, though, like you saw there on Rain Tracker. And that could finally start to add up here. We may be kind of wiping away any of those dry conditions we were tracking the last couple of weeks here if we pick up this amount of rain here, about 1.5 inches or 2 inches across mid-Missouri is what we're looking at as of right now. Over the next week here, as we look at that ABC 17 Storm Track 7-day forecast, tomorrow is going to be the warm day, and then looks like we're back into some cold weather as we get into this weekend. Temperatures topping out in the 50s all the way through Sunday. We may not get out of the 40s Monday and Tuesday.